happy Vlogmas Day 8. So, I'm going to the doctor. If you've been watching my videos, you know that last week I sprained my ankle, I think. I don't know. But I'm going to the doctor because my leg keeps going numb, and I feel like that's a problem. So, we're going to the doctor to see what the heck's wrong. So, yeah, I'll update you guys when I find out. It's so cold. So I'm gonna be kind of sad if they just tell me that my ankle's sprained. But like, I've sprained my ankle so many times, like when I was a kid, and I know what a sprain feels like, and I've never had my leg go numb. Like, I thought, it started out with my toes being numb, so I thought that like I broke my toe, which I probably did because it was bruised. And I was like, okay, whatever, maybe it's just numb because I broke it. And then like, I don't know, the arch of my foot keeps like tensing and like going numb. And then like, now like the middle of my calf down is numb. Well, it's not really numb, it's just like, kind of like, you know how your leg feels when it's falling asleep? It's kind of like that, but it's not as like pins and needly, it's just like tingly. And I feel like that's not good. And I also keep getting like cramps on the sides of my legs, or the side of my leg. So like, I don't know if that's an issue. I just want to make sure I didn't like screw up a nerve or break something, and I've been walking around on a broken foot for a week. So I don't know, I probably should have went to the doctor earlier, but I thought it was just a sprain, and I didn't want to pay money to go to the doctor for them to just tell me to ice it and put on an ACE wrap. Like, I've been doing that. So I don't know, I just hope that it's not just a sprain. I mean, I want it to just be a sprain because I don't want a screwed up foot, but I'm hoping they can do something to stop making it numb, because my foot also keeps going like freezing cold. Like, literally from like that same spot in my calf down, it's just freezing. And like, I'm always cold, but my other foot is warm, and that foot is like ice. Like, it's ice cold, and that's concerning me, like circulation problems or something. So I'm hoping they can do something for that, at least. If it's just sprained, maybe they can fix my nerves or whatever's going on down there, because like, it's annoying me, and it starts to get so cold and like numb that like it just hurts. So yeah, and like, I guess I have a big bruise on the side of my foot, and that kind of hurts a bit, but not as bad as I thought it would. But not as bad. Honestly, my whole foot just doesn't really like hurt. It just kind of feels stiff and numb, and that's weird because like, I've sprained my ankle before, and like, it's hurt mostly like if I twist it a certain way. But like, this one, no, it don't really hurt. It's just numb, and that's creeping me out. So we're going to get my foot looked at. So I'm done with the doctor. I just stopped for gas. My leg is just sprained like I thought. So I just paid like $700 for some ACE wrap. Yeah. I literally, like, I told her that my foot was going numb, and she's just like, yeah, that happens. Like, oh, okay, good. Glad that happens. Whatever. So I guess I'm just sprained and feeling weird for another few weeks, or whatever, how long ever this takes to heal. So that's just great. Now I am heading to work. Gonna go work for, I guess, 4 hours. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later tonight. Maybe we can get sewing that mini backpack. I need to stop somewhere for lunch because I haven't eaten anything today, so I might just pick up some like drive-through and take it to work or whatever. We'll see. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I don't know why my face is so red. I think it's because I was in my car and I was blasting the heat because I was freezing, but oh my god. Okay, so I'm currently chilling. I'm kind of sad because I didn't get a video uploaded yesterday. I was tired, so I didn't get a lot filmed, and I just kind of relaxed, watched some Netflix, so I didn't get anything filmed. So this is gonna be like day 8's vlog, even though it's the 9th. I mean, I guess I'm not really late if I get the video up tonight, and then I can upload one tomorrow, but I don't know if I'll get enough filmed. We'll see. We're just a couple days behind now, but I'm currently sitting in my room. icing my foot because it's still messed up and swollen and it hurts. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to go online and buy Kevin some Christmas presents because I saw some cute stuff online that I want to get him, and I have to order it so that it's here in time for Christmas because it's already the 9th. So I'm hoping they have fast shipping. I'm trying to order from like some small businesses. So yeah, we're gonna order some stuff, do a little online shopping, and then maybe I'll go do some sewing. I just don't know because my foot hurts and it's my sewing foot, so yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get any sewing done, but we'll see. Oh my god, you guys, I need to buy Vader some cat toys. Oh my god, they have such cute stuff on here. Oh my god, look at the taco. I think I need to buy Vader some toys. Don't look, you're gonna spoil Christmas. Go spoil Christmas, baby. I'm literally in one of those moods where like I want to do stuff, but I also know that I don't want to do stuff because it's like 7:30 at night. And hi, Vader. I don't know, I really just kind of want to watch some Netflix. Like, I wanted to sew tonight, but it's Wednesday. I'm tired. And I know once I start sewing, I'm not going to want to stop. And I want to get a video up tonight since I missed yesterday. Well, I didn't really miss yesterday. I think I uploaded day 7 yesterday. Yeah, I uploaded day 7 yesterday. So I gotta upload day 8 today because I'm late. And I kind of want ice cream. And I need to rest my foot. That's the main thing. I'm gonna get ice cream and watch Netflix. Yeah. This is my current setup. I got some blueberry cheesecake ice cream. It has like graham crackers and blueberries. So good. But yeah, I'm on Hulu, so I'm about to watch Little Fires Everywhere. I'm on like episode 5. It's pretty good so far. There we go. But yeah, I'm gonna watch an episode of the show, I think. That I might just edit this vlog and get it uploaded. Maybe I'll sew if I feel like it. I just want to rest my foot for a little while because it's kind of sore from work today. So I figure I'll rest that for a little bit, watching TV, eat some ice cream. But yeah, the show's really good. We read the book. Me and my friends started a book club and we read the book last month and it was really good. It's fun because it takes place in Shaker Heights, which is like a part of Cleveland, Ohio. I'm from Cleveland, so I mean, obviously, I'm wearing a freaking Ohio shirt. Or no, it says home, but there's Ohio on it. But yeah, it's pretty cool seeing a show and reading a book that takes place in your city because I don't really get that a lot. Yeah, it's a good show for so far. They definitely dive into some heavy topics, but it's super exciting, so I want to keep watching it. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my ice cream, watch this, let my foot chill for a little bit, and then we'll see where we're at. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.